Oh my, we're going into the house, guys. We're going through the house. Hello, everyone. Welcome to a new video. And today, we are in a new game here on the channel. A new game I purchased last night. One of my friends recommended this to me. He's on PlayStation, but I am on Xbox, as you can see down here. Well, you guys can't see it, but Xbox S and Xbox One as well. Currently, it looks like we just got dropped off by a bus. And we are currently walking home, it says on the top. But this is, if you couldn't see, this is, what is this? This is tear down. No. Yeah, tear down. And do we walk down this path? No, it doesn't. No, we can't walk down the path. We have to cross the bridge. So, we live in this? This is not no home. It's a train yard. Alright, well. If you guys want to see a series on this, okay, there you go. We got it. Go inside. Oh, we also do have a keyboard as well, so if we do need a keyboard in the game, we can. Let's move this out of the way. So this is our new home now. Did we, we get kicked out of our house? Pick up my tools. Place fuse lock. Where's the fuse? Oh, over here. Back here. Let's not destroy. So let's push that. Okay. So this is like not really at home. This may be at home. I'm not sure. Well, let's move this. Move that out of the way. If you guys want to see some sandbox later, you guys can down below. Yo, got power on. This reminds me of Five Nights at Freddy's. So am I about to get jump scared? Yeah, I'm traumatized from that Roblox experience. Well, it's not from Roblox, but, you know, all those Roblox crappy videos I used to do. If you did notice last video, it was only set in 20p. It was to the, I'm going to use my mouse here. As you can see, I have a mouse now. Gas bill. Knock over a building. Alright, well, I can do that. I'm pretty good at wrecking stuff, especially at driving. If you have a car, I can drive into it. It's like we are here. Looks like this is our place right here. We're knocking this down, right? Okay, well. Let's go around the building. It's pretty nice. It's an old cabin, probably from 1800s. So, do we knock this down? Well, let's get to work. Oh! I know what I'm doing with this. So this is a great way to wake your neighbors, by the way. You shovel out propane tanks right by the front door and light a match. Very great. Don't actually do that. Don't actually do that. Let's also put two of them by the chimney so we can blow up the chimney. So we got the propane tanks by the chimney and time to blow it up. I did not blow that up. It's kind of a mess, isn't it? Yeah. We're gonna knock down the staircase probably, guys. This is like my chill series. Like every other series is way so rational, but this one's actually chill. So how about we move all the propane tanks over to where my chimney's at? Let's blow up the chimney and we should be good. So how do we blow up everything? What is this? Oh, we're gonna move this all the way, you know. This is something that we oh god. I hope they don't get mad at us that we just broke the fridge. Let's shove a propane tank in the fireplace. Alright, there we go. Now, how do we How do we light it? Any suggestions by chance? Drive the car into it. Anything in the shed that can light the propane? No. Wait. Alright. Alright. Only people that know me know what that means. Am I crouching? I was. So how do we... How about over here? Ah. You know, this may come in handy. Alright guys, so we did install a mod by the way, if you can see in the top right, but now it's been down there. Oh, sorry guys, didn't mean to ruin your party. Let's drive this into the house. I may be absolutely ruining the back of this thing, but you know. Or drove through the yard. Do you think we want to blow up the excavator? Guys, put a number 1 in the comments if you think I'm gonna blow up this excavator. Alright, let's do this. And oh, the house is down. Alright, time to crumple this place in the smithereens. Ah. Oh my, we're going into the house, guys. We're going through the house. Ah. And I hope they don't mind if I get... Oh, something just exploded. Oh, the house is flipping. Hold on. Alright. Hope they didn't mind that. Well, first job complete. Bring this time, go back. This episode will be... Oh, look, we're driving off. This episode will be probably 20 minutes long, so I'm going to record for 40 minutes. Mission time. Nice. If I knew we could go in this vehicle, it could have got done way sooner, but we are back now. Our alarm's going off. You know what I said to the alarm? Eat it. Well, I'm not kidding. We literally sleep on a sleeping bag on a cot. It doesn't get too much creative like that, does it? How do we get down again? I still here? Oh, okay. I'm gonna say, did we jump off every night? Keep caution. This is an old car we're trying to fix, probably. Let's check our computer. Investigate. Well, crap. That was under Cartridge Heritage Protection, and demolished is now part of a criminal investigation. Ah. Sure, I might want to do this before we, so we pick up the computers. Okay, so don't destroy them. Okay. So we gotta do some stealthily, okay? We're going here. It's locked. Okay, sweet. Okay. We're good so far. So we have a river right here. So these people are tax evaders. Just like myself. So we got that one done so far. Let's... Anything here? Nope. Nothing here. This space is locked. Oh. Well, we can't get in there. How do we? We'll speed around this, guys. I know the objective. Okay, well, we're climbing across buildings now. Are we Tarzan? We probably are, honestly. Oh. Well, that may have hurt a little bit. I think we're fine. I think, oh. So we're stealing stuff now. Okay, so this turned into Thief Simulator. Ah, so we need to get up there. Let's climb up on this. I have the perfect idea for this. Ah, we do this vehicle. Alright, let's drive this over here. We weren't supposed to destroy it, but okay. Let's just say that like a... Eat this. No more experiments. No more chemistry. Alright, so let's jump out the window. So we need a way into that building. You know, I did see an excavator around here. Anyone up for running a few buildings again? We had a pretty good experience at the last house. Alright, here we go. Alright. This place is a mess, but... I think it's in this one. Everything's destroyed now, but... It's back to the escape vehicle. We're mission complete. So much as a campaign we can do, actually. Oh, we're on the news now. New security system? Oh my lord. Ah, we're about to die. Now, this is a great gate. I think they removed all the windows. That's yeah, they rebuilt fast. Let's get to work. What? I'm escaping. I don't know what we're doing. Why couldn't I escape? Okay, so we found that one. we need to we need to know where all three things are at, so when this happens, we can get out of here. Alright, so we're stealing stuff now. Alright, this building's clear. I don't think there's anything here. No, nothing in here. Game chamber we don't need. Coffee max at 200, okay. Let's go in the industrial building. Let's see if we can find something that can... Oh, these things are like this now. Oh my lord. That's where we need to go as well. They boarded those up. Oh, there's a will, there's a way, I guess. Oh, we're gonna run a building through it. Or a vehicle through it, I guess. So we found two of them. Pretty sure the first one's in this building. Alright, so we got that. Check if one's in here. So we found the second one. Now we need the first one. Oh, the second, well, the third one. That's over here. So we need so here's a bad. We're gonna go over here, steal that one, and then go over to the other house one. So we need to go through the wall. Alright, so we're on. Okay. Alright, let's quick save. I got saved. Crap, is that not one of the things? But there was 3 of them, right? Hold up, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, so we found the third one. I think we do the back one next, and then the middle, and then this one up here, and we run for it, okay? So we just destroyed half of the building again for no reason. So this is the one we have to go for, and then we'll jump off that, run into the other building. So we only have a minute to do this, so we gotta quick save, and then we gotta do this really fast. I'll put some James Bond music in the meantime. So, or jump out this window. Not the best idea, but ready? Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Run. Alright, we got that one. One more to go. Wow, we have a jetpack. Get me in the building. Get me in the building. Get me in the building. Go. We're going through the window. We literally are James Bond with a jetpack. Let's go. Let's go. We gotta go. Let's go. We did it.